In this video, you will learn how to capture a still frame from 360-degree image. Go to 360photo2video.com, select your source image. You can select multiple images or add more images later by pressing the plus button. Uploaded images would appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, choose the image that you want to work with. Adjust the view either by dragging it or using the wheel on your mouse, or by changing the options on the left-hand side. You can also select dimensions of your still frame from the popular sizes drop-down, or by setting precise width and height values. When the desired view is ready, press Capture Frame button. Save the image to your local drive. You can take as many frames as you need. Thanks for watching.